You need to watch this if you struggle with believing in the supernatural. They say if you hear her whisper your name, it's already too late. In the depths of Black Hollow Woods, a legend persists, a witch whose whispers steal souls. 5 friends ventured in, laughing off the tale as mere folklore. But as night fell, the laughter stopped. They heard their names, carried by the wind, one by one. Panic set in. One friend vanished, then another. Only one returned, silent, eyes wide with terror. He never spoke of what happened. The warning is now clear. If you hear her whisper your name, it's already too late. Remember, some legends are not just stories.